Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be making almond flour cake. This means that this cake will be gluten-free, something I will be explaining later in the video. First, you will need half tablespoon of butter for the pan, 4 large eggs, half cup of honey, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1.5 cups of superfine almond flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Grease an 8-inch nonstick cake pan with soft butter. In a large bowl, lightly whisk the eggs. Gradually whisk in the honey, vanilla, almond flour, kosher salt, and baking soda. Make sure to not overmix the batter. An overworked batter can cause the middle of the cake to collapse as it cools. Use a spatula to transfer the batter into the prepared pan and bake for 22 to 25 minutes. You might be asking why we are using almond flour instead of regular all-purpose flour for this cake. Many people cannot eat gluten food or desserts, and regular flour has gluten. However, almond flour does not. Gluten is a protein found in grains like wheat, barley, and rye, and it is responsible for the elastic texture in dough and the chewy texture in bread and baked goods. It's composed of 2 main components, gliadin and glutenin. This is what the structure looks like. Gluten acts as a binder, holding food together and adding a stretchy quality, which is why it is important for the texture of bread, pasta, and other baked goods. Almond flour does not have any gluten. Its natural fats and proteins in almond flour help hold ingredients together. Some people who are gluten intolerant have celiac disease, where the immune system attacks the small intestine upon gluten ingestion. This is what your small intestine would look like before and after someone with celiac ingested gluten. After your cake is done, make sure you cool it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Enjoy!